Number 7. Horses out, Veracruz, silver screen. If your honor places on the outside, classic plate beside Desperado, Rivers of Gold. And the appointment is the early trailer. We have Veracruz in the middle, silver screen. If your honor plays alongside third, classic playing fourth. Then 5 lengths away in fifth comes Desai, Rivers of Gold, Desperado. And the appointment now racing in last, Veracruz, silver screen now in second. If your honor plays in third, classic playing fourth, Rivers of Gold, Desai, Desperado. And the appointment still racing in last, Veracruz by about half a length, silver screen is on the outside. Classic play remains in third if your honor plays. Then followed by Rivers of Gold, Desai, appointment, and Desperado. And that's still Veracruz by only a length, classic play now in second. Alongside third, silver screen if your honor plays. Veracruz refuses to surrender by about 2 lengths. The silver screen, classic play, Rivers of Gold. But it's still Veracruz by about 2 lengths. Classic plays on the outside, Desai. Veracruz, classic play, Desai is on the outside. But it's still Veracruz. And finally, Veracruz. Desai, classic play, Rivers of Gold, silver screen, Desperado. If your honor plays, and appointment comes in last.
Okay, parang karabista ang ating unofficial winner dito. 3-0 pa rin. Itong numero 2 na si Veracruz with ABL Casad na sa segundo, numero 4 Tisal.